Hi guys, if you're looking for a way to create a US and UK PayPal account, this video is for you. Alright, I want you to watch this video to the end so that you see all the method I use in creating a UK or US PayPal account. If you're in any African country and you are looking for a way to create a PayPal that you can accept payments in all over the world, watch this video. All right, because I made this video special for someone like you, so you can start receiving payment from your freelance jobs. All right, so I don't want to waste your time and I don't want this video to be long, so let's dive in. Let me show you how it goes. So the first thing I'm going to show you here, we are going to do 3 steps. The first step is we are going to install what will make our internet to be private. Then the second one, we are going to create a PayPal account, then verify it. Then the third one, we are going to create a US bank account or US, UK or any European bank account that we are going to link to our PayPal so we can start accepting payments. So let's go. So now I want you to go to your browser. All right, so type 1.1.1.1. you can see it on my system, right? Oh, I'm saying something is wrong, so click on it, search it again, click on the second or the first link. All right, so 1.1.1.1, that's like 1 in 4 place. All right, so that's what I want you to click. So now that's exactly what I'm going to do here. So I'm going to click on that to get that installed. Sorry, I'm trying to clear my browser. Sorry about that. I'm trying to clear my browser so I can have enough space. All right, so now the website is loading, so let's give it time. Let's give it time. So I'm not going to pay too much attention on this, but what I want you to understand, like I'm going to fast forward this. What I want you to understand is, if you have a VPN, you on it. If you don't have it, I want you to install this particular thing. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to download it now. If you're using a Windows, a Mac, it is very important, please. It is very important. So I prefer using this instead of VPN. For this one, it does not change your location, but it keeps your network private and secure. So your network won't be acting like a fraudulent activities is going on. It is very necessary. So if you are using, like for me, I'm using a Windows, that's why I'm downloading it for Windows, right? So if you are using a Mac, you can see it here. If you want to do it out on your phone, you can download the app from App Store or Google Play Store. If you have Linux, you can do that. All right, so after you install this, then after you're done installing it, then you can start using it on it. Make sure you connect it before you go to your browser. You go to your browser again, you clear all your history, you clear your check, you clear your cookies, clear them so that no any activities. So now I'm going to install it, so no any activities will be on it for any suspicious activities. All those Internet of Things, how they do their stuff. So now we just install it. So after the installation, all right, so it's going to take a little bit time, so I'm going to fast forward it, so this video will be short for you because I know you don't have patience. All right, so let's go. All right, so after you're done with the you fast it, stuff like that, then I want you to go to your browser. I just clear the history of my browser now. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to visit the PayPal homepage to or to create it. So that's exactly what I'm going to do now. So I'll just click on enter. Right, please pay attention to this video. So you can see where it say ng, so I'm going to change it to, you see, paypal.ng, but I'm going to change it to AE, which is Arab Emirates. So like I'm opening this PayPal from Dubai. So that's exactly what I want you to do if you want this PayPal to work for you. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I will just click on sign up. All right, you know what sign up is, so I'll just click on sign up, give it time. It's going to bring the information you need. So here, you can go for your personal account or business. So for me, I'm going for business, so let's go. So I just click on continue with the business. All right, so I'll click on continue with the business. Please make sure you watch this video to the end, right? Because at the end of this video, I'm going to create a bank account, a US bank account that you can link it. Opening this thing is not the most important thing, but verifying it and linking the bank that will make you to receive payment. And one thing again is, after opening this PayPal account, don't start receiving huge amounts of payment. Make it like a transaction basics, like put $5 from it and stuff like that. So here now you put your name, select your date of birth, so I just did, then nationality, select Nigeria, then what's your phone number. For me, I have a US phone number, right? So I'm going to put on US phone number, but nevertheless, if you're in United Arab Emirates, that's a very good one. And if you're not privileged to be there, if you're in Nigeria, you use your Nigeria phone number. Nothing spoiled. Use your real life information so that you will not be restricted from some certain things on PayPal. See, if the information you are using is not pure, aside the top where we change, if the information are not pure, they can restrict your account, chase you away from PayPal, and you may have money there and your money is gone forever, right? So let's go. See, another thing is, there is a time people call me asking me where I am. Then I was not in Nigeria anyway, so I explained to them where I am, because I think when I try logged in, they find out, then they call me that I told them that I went for a business, blah, blah. Then they say, okay, PayPal is available in the country where I am, then I can transact. So I'm putting down my number now. So all right, so I just enter my phone number like I said. So here, because I have a US number, that is why I enter. So the next thing I'm going to do here, you can see the address. I'm going to put the address here where you live most of the year. So I'm going to go to another tab. So on this tab, I'm going to search for random address in UAE. Right, okay, let me see. Let me go back there and see. All right, since they are looking for address that has a PO box, so we just search for random address in UAE. So let me go back to the browser. So random address in UAE, you can do this. Trust me, if you follow this process. I've done this for a client and they are using it over 2 years now without no complaint, without no problem. They are even working with Amazon as a digital marketer, and they are using it to receive payment. So search for this and come to this website, or any website you open to. Copy the PO box, paste it here, go back there, the state area, that is Dubai. You can write it or you copy. So let me just do the copying. All right, so I'll just do the copy. Ctrl C and Ctrl V. So that's the city. So here I'm going to choose is Dubai. So I just click on Dubai. Make sure you watch this video to the end, because not just to open a PayPal, it's about the verification and about the linking of an account. So if you don't do that properly, PayPal is going to take you off, trust me, and you're going to lose your money. All right, so you can see, read all that. Make sure you pay attention, read all that, because at the time of me making this video, these are the process, and the process can be changed later without my knowledge you get. So I will just click on next right now. Let me just pick Dubai. Yeah, Dubai is cool. I wanted to look for information I can put in this additional information bar, because I don't know what to put there. So I was thinking of copying something from here. Streets, is that necessary? Now. So I'm going to leave it that way. Then I will just go back there and click on next. Let's see what happened. I believe it's going to be a successful one. All right, tell us about your business. So this one happened because I'm trying to open a business PayPal, right? So this one happened because I'm trying to open a business PayPal. So the next thing I'm going to do here, I'm going to try confirm my business. So the name of my business is Simwise Creative. All right, so the name of my business is Simwise Creative. And what's your registration number? Fine, you can decide to form a business name too, and you can decide to form a random business number. Trust me, it's going to work. All right, so just learn how to run transaction, not just accepting any kind of payment. So if you're starting a PayPal account, even though it's $2, you see, accept. $5, you accept, withdraw. You get little, you go 20, you come back to 5, 10. Make it a transactional base, not just you open it new, then you put $5,000. Trust me, your account is going to be crashed. Your account is going to be blocked, disabled. All right, so now what you sell. So here you are going to look for something you sell. So as for me, I'm going to choose something related to a digital store. If I see a web design there, I'm going to choose. But if I then see that, I'm going to go for a digital, something related to digital selling product also. Okay, let's say digital goods, but let me check for another one. Marketing, blah blah. If you see a digital marketing there, please don't hesitate to choose. Go on with that. Right, so I think I'm going to type this. Like this one. But first, let me see if I can see a web design there. So let me see. Okay, there's no web, so I will just go with the. So I'm going to go with the digital goods, media, books, movie, music. In case you want to be selling anything on the internet, do you have a website? No, I don't. So they want me to enter my business address. So what I'm going to do is, since I have the first address, I'm going to pick the second address as well. Right, so I'm going to pick the second address as well. Let's proceed. So I'm not going to use this PO box because, all right, so let me just go. I have to copy all the address I used before, so let me select Dubai. Select Dubai now. Yeah, so I will just select. Let me type Dubai this time. So So I'll come here and copy the PO Box. Then I will paste. Then I'll click on, let me cross check. Make sure you cross check your information, because once you're done, you won't be able to re-edit them. Your paper will be blocked. So you need patience. So click on next, right? Click on next. Congrats, you're all set. We have mailed you confirmation link to verify that the email address you provide belongs to you. All right, so see, they have mailed. So now the email address I use is locked on this phone. So I'm going to verify that on this phone, then we'll come back together. So before you verify, the email is the same thing like yours. What I want you to do is make sure you logged your PayPal here on your phone too. You know, you create a password. Don't forget about the password, because you are going to need the password. Save the password, right? So that's what I'm going to do now. So I'm going to verify it. All right, so we are done. I've just verified it. So I'm trying to log into my computer now. I think this happened because we have trouble making sure it's you. Maybe because I logged in on my phone without a VPN. That's why this issue is coming up, right? Without no private whatever. But I think I verified, so I will just keep on refreshing my browser here on my computer to see how everything goes. Okay, finally you can see profile verify, email verify. So this is, we are done with two things. The last one is going to link a bank, link a card. So this is where we are going to link the US bank I told you about. We can create a US bank, UK bank, any European country bank, right? So this is look at the payment setup and everything. So if you start receiving PayPal balance, you can see inside money, blah blah. You can request for money, send out, receive. All right, so we are going to have a part 2 of this video where I'll be showing you how to create a US bank account and how you can link it with your PayPal. All right, so if you found this video useful, please like this video. This will encourage me to make more videos. If you need me to make a video on something, please don't hesitate to drop it on the comment section, and trust me, I'm going to do it. All right, like I told you before, this video, I decided to make this video from a comment I received from one of my fans, and I decided to create this particular video, right? So drop a good comment. I'm going to create any kind of video you want me to make, right? Thanks for watching. Watch out, go look for the part 2 here. Look at the part 2 here.